This is the jute fabric bags. Inside coating with PE polyethylene used for make the jute fabric bag. It's by an extruder to put the PE resin granules and then coating by T-dyed on the fabric surface. The unwind system is manual, connected by manual. Then it will go to the edge position device and then go into the extruder part T-dyed. With the TV to show the production speed. And there's also a manual control panel.
PE coating is just by this T-dyed by high temperature to make it melting and coating on the surface. There's a cooling ruler to make it cooler. After coating, it will be waterproof. Here is the after coating part. You can see the jute, it's very shiny and smoothly. Jute fabric is very shiny and smoothly. After this function, it will go into the rewinder and then go into the next step for making the jute fabric bag. My company was founded in 1984. We have a lot of coating and laminating machinery. Not only for the jute fabric laminating, we also have the paper and the PE laminating, paper and aluminum foil laminating, and we also have the non-woven coating and laminating machinery. After coating one layer polyethylene on the jute fabric, it will be going to the rewinder.
It will have the function of waterproof.